guys, so today we are going to be packing. I am moving tomorrow and I haven't packed literally anything, which I know is super bad. I wasn't really planning on procrastinating so much, but my finger kind of hurts a little bit, so I was just kind of putting it off because packing is not the most fun thing ever and having a hurt finger is not the most fun thing ever, so I just kind of procrastinated everything. But today we literally have to pack everything in my room, like absolutely everything. So my room is kind of a mess. I just filmed my apartment haul. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. It's very much a mess, so don't mind that. So this is all the stuff from my apartment haul. We have to take all that stuff. I think I'm taking most of this stuff. This whole thing is a huge mess. This is a big mess. That's a big mess. I never put my laundry away. Clothes on the floor. We have to pack all this stuff. Cute little Paisley over there. I think we're bringing this shelf and I need to go through all my bathroom stuff. So we're gonna start with the kitchen stuff. I think we're gonna put everything in one box and then just kind of like sort it out that way. There's just like some random big things that are just gonna be weird to try to pack and like can't really put that in a box, and I just have to like go through everything and pack it, I guess. I don't really know.
From the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be your tour guide in a city. I might be, we might be.
Okay, this box is mostly stuff that was on my desk and then some stuff that was in there. Here's the kitchen box. I feel like I just have way too much stuff. I honestly did not try to leave this for the last minute, like whatsoever, and I'm getting so overwhelmed, but my finger's not doing very well. It's making everything 10 times harder.
Show you around. There's like 100 tons in the city, so it might take a while, but not to worry, cause I know all the best spots, not the bougie places with the $100 rooftops. I might be a tour guide in a city.
So I took the tapestry down, so sad, but I decided that I'm not going to take my clothing rack because I honestly don't think that there's any space for it. I am also not going to take the shelf just because I think it's like bolted into the wall. It's in the wall somehow and I don't think I can use those types of like screws in the apartment. And then my mom is going to switch all the kitchen stuff from that box into a heavier duty box type of thing, so it'll be easier to carry and everything will fit. Right now I'm going to look through this. So this it's kind of broken, it doesn't work very well, but it has all my like vinyl stuff in it, so I need to look through that. It's like not even going in all the way. I am not going to be taking that. That takes up too much space and I don't really think I have a use for it. But yeah, this is the progress right now. Also, that didn't really fit in there. Oh well. Obviously, we're listening to One Direction because what else would we be listening to right now? Nothing. Okay, here is the update. The vines are down. The cute little wall hanging, the moon thing is down. I am taking my plants and like that whole thing, but we're not gonna take that down till later. And we're also not gonna take my mirror out of my room until later, just so it doesn't break or anything. My lights are also down, and most of my collage wall is gone too. Here's this box of decorations. Okay, I feel like I have hit a wall. I just honestly, again, don't know what to do next. I think I will do my Polaroid wall right now, but I also need to look through all of my clothes and decide what I want to bring and what I want to keep here. I honestly cannot remember how big the closet is. I feel like it's a pretty decent size. Paisley literally ran up the stairs to come hang out with me, even though she's still hurt. She's not supposed to be doing the stairs. Paisley, you can't just do whatever you want. She is doing a lot better today than she was yesterday, which is really surprising because it's only been 2 days, I think. Come here. Hi. It's only been 2 days. Dude, you're literally crazy. You're crazy. You're a crazy dog. Okay, I think I'm going to start on my clothes and picking what I want to bring and what I want to keep here, aka the hardest decisions ever because I just want to take everything, but there's not enough space for everything. So we're going to turn One Direction back on and work on that. Okay, so I took a break. I had to change my gauze out and look at how funny this looks. I don't know why, but I think it looks so stupid. But anyways, I am going to go through my clothes right now. But for all of this stuff, I am going to keep them on the hangers and put a trash bag over it. So when I move in, I just have to take the trash bag off and hang them up instead of like having to put the hangers on them and stuff. So we're going to work on that right now. It is almost 5, I think. And we've been doing this since like 2:30. But before we get back into the montage, I want to show you guys these cute little placemats that my grandma made us. So they're purple on one side for Sigma, of course. Cute little fall pumpkins on the other side. So we're going to put those in the apartment for when we eat dinner and stuff. So these are my clothes. My mom helped me put them in the trash bags because I couldn't. We ended up putting all of my framed stuff in my ring light box just to take there. So this is my jewelry tray that I use, and I have a ton of jewelry on here, and I wanted to keep this for the apartment. And I didn't know how to like bring it to the apartment because I didn't want anything to like fall out or get tangled or anything in a bag. And my mom came up with wrapping it in plastic wrap. So yeah, it works. These are my all-time favorite shoes, and I haven't worn them a single time because I haven't really been anywhere this summer, but I'm so excited. I want to wear them like 24/7. So this is what my closet looks like. I'm gonna grab a few more hangers, I think probably just like the purple ones, and my sister told me to put my plants in a shoebox, so I'm gonna grab one of those. And I think I just need to kind of look through everything, make sure I don't forget anything. I also need to grab my backpack from out here, or I guess behind here. I am not feeling very motivated at all. I am getting tired. I absolutely hate packing. I hate moving. I probably hate it more than anything. I hate like having to pack everything, having to like actually physically move and then like unpack everything and redecorate. Like, I'm excited about it because like decorating and having a new space will be really fun, but I hate like the process of doing it. Am I the only one? Because I feel like I'm the only one that hates it. Like, I don't just hate it, I have like a burning hate for it. Like, I literally despise it. It's not just like, oh, I don't like it. It's just like, I hate it.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up.
We also need to pack the cars. So I'm taking my car and I'll be driving that tomorrow. We're also taking my dad's car. I have a specific move-in time because they're trying to like keep it very separated by buildings and stuff. So I can go to the office from like 1 to 2:30 to get my keys. So thankfully it's not super early. Literally every time that I've moved in before, it's been like I have to get up at like 5 a.m. or something crazy like that. So I'm glad it's not gonna be like that this time. Maybe I'll be a little bit, you know, not as crabby when I'm moving in, because moving is super stressful for me and I hate it and I get very frustrated very easily. But yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. I feel like we'll probably just pack up the cars tomorrow because we have like a ton of time before we have to leave. I think we'll have to leave at like 10:30 maybe ish. I don't know.
Even though you're stressed about the small shit sometimes, nothing I could say to you could change up your mind. I'll get on your nerves and then we'll fight. Give you all the space you need in on those nights, yeah. Even on your worst days, when you get in my face, jumping on something that I've done, yeah. I would never listen, I walk conversing, I'm mad on you.
Have this stuff out here that needs to be recycled. That's not filled yet.
Yeah.
So it's like 8 o'clock right now and I'm going to vacuum out my car. I have been meaning to do this for so long. It's not that dirty, I just want it to be clean when I leave. And I want to clean off the seats and everything too. Beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, all of the seats and floors are vacuumed, so we're going to wipe it down with a towel and some spray to make sure everything is super clean. The sunset is so pretty tonight. So that is all of the packing I'm gonna be doing tonight. We're pretty much done. There's like a few random things that I still need to do, like pack my camera. We are definitely taking my mirror. We have to take that off the wall. Just random stuff like that. But yeah, it's like super echoey in here and there's like nothing on the walls. It's super sad. But right now I'm going to take a shower. But yeah, I think that is going to be it for the vlog tonight. We haven't packed the car up yet. We're going to do that tomorrow morning. We don't have to leave until probably like 9:30ish. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it wasn't like too much of a mess of a vlog, but you guys will be seeing some moving vlogs very, very soon. I am so excited. And yeah, so that is going to be it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. The links are in the down bar below, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.